Alright, so a bit of progress to a report. So I've got the main equipment shelves in, the battery cooling system heat exchanger is installed and all plumbed and primed. You can see the reservoir up there. That shares the same loop as the heating loop, and the output from the pump on that heating loop, out from the blower, is actually right in the way of where I want to put some stuff, as is the speedo cable. We'll work these things out, but critically I've got the power steering hydraulics lined up, and I'm using one of these Holden Astra power steering pumps. Draws some pretty heavy current, but it's got a little control circuit here, which if you supply it with 12 volts, you hear it fire up. And as it wakes up, seems to go on forever. Seems to pull about a constant 27 amps just sitting there maintaining pressure. But it works good, so we'll just reach in and give the wheel a spin. I'm just doing this with my finger, so that's obviously doing its job. But I'm not sure if you can see that from here, but it's pulling about 50 amps at full lock. But it's not too bad. And it doesn't seem too loud from inside the cabin, but it is kind of noisy. So I'll just disconnect that. I've also got the brake vacuum pump hooked up, just running from a separate power supply at the moment, but that's working quite nicely. Now when I press the brake, it depresses nicely. We hop down in here. And you just hear the pump fire up then. Nice and quiet. Runs for about 10 minutes, sorry, 10 seconds. And maintains that vacuum quite nicely. So, seems a shame that we've got all of the auxiliary systems that cars originally had. Oh god, that power steering's essential. But we'll get the electrical stuff in soon.